bomb. Come on, beauty supply store. It's about time. I feel like they should have been done, like, should have been doing that. Like, do you know how much better it is now that you don't have to wait for your closure to come? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to see you again. Today's video is just going to be about this lace closure that I bought from my beauty supply store. I'll wait, because I don't think y'all heard me. I did not have to wait for this closure. I did not have to order this closure. I went to the store and I bought it. I'm going to give you guys the specs on this whole lace closure. I'm going to basically be telling you if it was worth the price. I believe I only paid either $20 to $25. No more than $25 though. And y'all, when I saw it in the store, I was just like,
oh my gosh, the beauty supply store sells lace closures
that aren't like, you know, the lace closures that you get in the beauty supply store where there's like no part at all or it's like this little section of a part. Well, this closure, it came straight and it came in this packaging, and this is a picture of how it looked. Just a 4x4 closure. Y'all, it was basically like any other closure that I have gotten when I ordered from AliExpress. Like, there was nothing different about the closure. The packaging says 100% virgin natural Remy human hair, and that you can bleach or dye the hair. And yeah, shed free, tangle free, bleach, dye, perm. So, enough with that. I actually dyed the knots so that I can see if they took or not. So I'll be inserting some pictures to see, and I actually do have the unit right here. I already made the wig because I had some old bundles and I was like, I really need a new closure. So that's how I end up finding that lovely closure in my beauty supply store. It is free part, so that means it can be parted wherever you want, and I can show you that. So, like, bomb. Come on, beauty supply store. And then you guys can see here, this is just a little middle part that I made. I did straighten the hair. Now, for some reason, the hair came straight, but when I washed it just to see like what it would do or if it had a smell or anything, it had no smell at all. But the hair did turn into like a wavy kind of a pattern, and I'll show you a picture of what it looked like too. But it had no problem straightening back out when I went to straighten the hair, and this was how it straightened back out. So far so good. This hair is like any other closure that I have already used from the past. I feel like I've touched on everything. This was a little short video. I just had to make a video for you guys to see if it was actually worth your money, you know? So if you have not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, join the family. We're almost at 1,000 subbies. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.